we're doing a water heater replacement. Here's where the cold comes in, fills up the water heater, and then hot goes out. This is an electric water heater, so we're going to drain it first and then get the old one out, put the new one in. We'll show you the steps along the way. So we've got the main is off, even though we have a shut off valve here. Still turn it off. Drained all the pipes. So you want to open them all starting upstairs and come down. Open the valve up, and this is going to drain. It's easy because we have a back door. Some people, if you don't have a back door, you need to figure out a different way to drain it. That's it, and just wait for it to drain. You want to unhook your electrical. Make sure the power is off. This one has a switch, not all of them do.
Hey, what color is this? Black, black, black. Two blacks and black and white. Yeah.
So now we got the new water heater here. We got a pan. Just put our new shutoff valve on, soldered it on there. And I'm going to solder this little piece on here so that this will fit nicely. Perfect. We've got the new hot water heater installed, and this is the new connections, shut-off valve, and yeah, looks good, works good. Don't forget to let out the air when you are done. So go turn all your hot water valves on, so like all your hot waters on your sinks and your showers, starting from the closest point. So usually that's the utility sink, and that's it, and it's done. It's going to take a little while to heat up, and that's it. Thank you.